Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to connect Quickbooks to Lendio. If your business uses Quickbooks, integrating it with Lendio makes loan applications faster and more accurate. Let me show you what to do. So first, log into your Lendio account on the website and then go to integrations or connected apps section from your dashboard. Now select Quickbooks from the list of available accounting platforms. A pop-up will appear asking you to sign into your Quickbooks account. Enter your Quickbooks username and password and then click sign in. Review the list of data permissions Lendio requests such as income statements, expenses, and bank reconciliation details. Click authorize or allow access to confirm. Wait a few seconds for Lendio to complete the sync, and once connected, you're going to see Quickbooks listed as an active integration on your dashboard. From now on, your Quickbooks data will update automatically in Lendio whenever you apply for financing. Ensure that your Quickbooks subscription is active before connecting, or the synchronization may fail. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.